Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download a Windows 11 25H2. Open your favorite browser, search for UUP Dump. Open this first link. This website is from Microsoft. This website is safe website. You can download different version of Windows. Here select version of Windows 11. We want to download Windows 11 25H2. Then select the first one. It is the latest version. Here select your language. Then next. Here select the edition of Windows, which edition you need or you want. I want to download a Windows 11 Pro. You can download a whom or anyone you want. Then click on next. Here make sure to select download and convert to ISO. Then create download package. It is downloaded. It is around 8 KB. In this step, close your browser, open download. We download this file. Right click here, create a new folder, write any name you want. Then cut or copy this file, paste inside of this folder. We create one folder, it is Windows 11. I paste the file here. Extract this file. This file is zip. You can extract it with WinRAR or 7-zip. Extract here. When you extract, you will see these files. Find UUP download Windows. Right click here. Select run as administrator. If you get this message, click on more info, run anyway. Yes. Here you will get this error. Close CMD. Delete this one. Come back. We create this folder. Make sure to create a folder without any space. Then hit enter. Come back. Again repeat this step. Run as administrator. Yes. Now write R to run. This step will take 1 or 2 hours depend on your network. Hit enter. Now it is finished. Press 0 or Q to exit. Again, if you come back to your folder you create before, it was Windows 11. Now Windows 11 ISO is available. It is created. This ISO is around 6 gig. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.